Okay, so we opened here and gapped up above 400s, then we had a tight range with resistance at day's open price, then price initially sold off at US cash market open, held perfect resistance here at day's open price, this could be a very good short, then initially sold off but filled the gap, because once it filled this gap, kind of find support. Let's see now on the daily as well. We held support at the moment at the last week's high. So let's see if this one will break down or this one will be a further upside and a breakout of yesterday's high. Okay, so price dragging down. Let's see now if this yesterday's initial balance high, which coincide with pivot point of the day today, will hold the index and goes back up. Otherwise, if price enters this zone here, more likely will retest 300s, and then we'll see if we need to bite back there. Let's see if this 100 lot at 66 will hold the market down, or if price will spike up. Initially held support here. This could be very good long with one tick, let's say, risk. You can have a potential very big upside. So let's see. If we put this into perspective, according to yesterday's trading, price every time held here this 40s level, found support. Let's see if today is the case as well, or if today is gonna break it down to 300s. So actually closed the short for a good profit, and I bought a long position against this pivot point for a potential move up to 400s initially, but I still see this seller here at 66. Let's see how price will behave if it will pop up here. So once more, if we put this into perspective, according to yesterday's session, we did held support twice and three times here at yesterday's session at the initial balance high. Today, the initial balance high coincides with pivot point, held support here. Let's see if this can go up to 400s initially or even higher. We are currently at a very critical level. If this support here doesn't hold today and we trade below and we even close below later in the day, then we would trade in the 300s to 11,000 region. Let's see if this support, which is last week's high, very important level, if this support holds and then we trade above during this week, then this provides us with further upside. Otherwise, this could be an early disappointment from early optimism from that Draghi is going to deliver more quantitative easing and things like that, things according to his monetary policy. And let's see how this will play out today. This is a very critical moment. This could be a very good short against yesterday's high for a swing short position to the downside. I'm not short at the moment for the swing short position, but let's see. Because on the other hand, we have this kind of buying zone, let's say here at the initial balance high of yesterday's trading, and at the moment held support. So let's see if this could provide us with a further upside. So the scenario of this daily and weekly level will become a support, and then we have further upside. So let's see what scenario will play out. I'm flat now, sideways price action. Let's see if we have a retest here at pivot point and this initial balance low for today. Euro dollar breaking hard out of 106 and rallying up will not help the index to the upside. So let's see if euro dollar collapse or stop rallying, then we'll see if the index will go up. But at the moment, very good European PMI data for Germany and France and Spain, and Italy and Spain. So let's see. So I bought more here for the classic rally after the first hour of cash market open. Let's see if I will get filling these two targets, and I would like to hold the rest of the position for possible breakout of 400s and days open price. But again, we'll see how this will play. Let's see. Okay, so price just consolidating sideways. Let's see if it finds support here, which I put two lots here above 45.50 and below for a potential support and then a potential upside. So at the moment nothing happened, just sideways consolidation. I will focus only on the main levels which I use. So let's see if price goes back up and then I will try to short there, or if price goes down to pivot point and initial balance high of yesterday and today's initial balance low, then I will try to bite back there. But at the moment nothing interesting. So let's see. Okay, so my orders got filled here. Let's see if this can hold or if this will finally break down and retest 300s. At the moment volume spike here, so let's see. Okay, got stopped out here. I sorted for a potential move down to 300s. Let's see now if this target will fill, and then if we have even lower prices. Okay, so I bought back again here at 54s for a potential move to upside to equilibrium line of the day and then 400s. We had an initial breakdown of initial balance low of today's range, initial balance range, then a hold at 30s. Now let's see if this is a good opportunity to hold a long position until 400s. But again, according to my strategy, the more time price spends between these two levels, the more likely to go to the downside. But this doesn't mean it could not reverse. So let's see which scenario will play out. Perhaps this could be a very good short up here for a continuation to the downside. Let's see. Let's see now how price will behave here at the gap low. This is the gap area here. Initially held resistance. If this breaks out, this could be quite quick, quite fast to the upside, but then needs to break out and hold above 380s. So let's see. Okay, so let's see this into perspective again. We fill the gap here at early in the morning, then we broke down initial balance low of the day, and we rallied back above, chopped above and below with support at 40s. Then this is what I bought for a potential momentum breakout, and this did happen. So let's see now if this gap low level will hold support, which seems it did, and price will go up to 380s and even more up to 400. So let's see, otherwise this could be a very good short for a possible retest at 345 or even lower. But again, when we have two big events, the biggest events I will say for the year, let's say this month, this week with the CB conference on Thursday, the few days before price is limited. So let's tight our expectations and our anticipations for market move, for potential market moves, and then let's focus on the main levels in order to avoid this kind of choppy noise. So let's see how this will play out. Okay, so big bounce from this 70s level. Let's see now if price goes up to 400s, and then I would like to see price holding above 380s in order to continue building and adding to my long position at the 400s breakout for a potential upside move. Okay, so price broke down fast. Initial balance low of today's initial balance levels and pivot point. I'm currently short. These are my targets here. I'm willing to hold the position down to 300s, let's say. Again, today the big picture is that the more time price spends between these two levels, the higher the probability, specifically 74% probability for a continuation to the downside today. So let's see, this could be provided, this retest here could be provided a very good short opportunity if you trade my strategy. So let's see how down this will go. Okay, so we had prior to yes cash market open selling here on DAX, straight selling from the US cash open price. Let's see now if this can go down to 300, break it down, retest it and hold support and then go even lower. Here's the big picture again on the daily chart. So today at the moment we failed to break out to new highs. Let's see how these levels will play out. Yesterday's open price and yesterday's lows down to 250s, if this will happen. If you see the sequence here, we have uptrend days in a row, then 2 down days. Today could be, if this closed down, the first down day, then tomorrow could be another down day, and then let's see how this will play out on Thursday with Draghi conference. So I close the whole short position and open a long position. I see SPY gapping up at the open and breaking out aggressively 209.50s. Let's see if DAX will follow and will have initial resistance here and then a move higher to equilibrium line, and then even possible move higher to 400s. So let's see how this will play out. Again, you need to trade what you see, not what you think. Okay, so that long paid out well immediately. Again, you need to trade what you see, not what you think. As said earlier in this video, that the more time price spends here, the likely will go down. Did go down, but then if you see a reversal, a delay of the one down move, that means that the other move is about to begin. So I bought here for a momentum breakout. Let's see it now here at 345s, then eventually I would like to see it at 380s and to see how this will behave at 360s. Let's see if this can hold, otherwise this will be an even lower move, but at the moment SPY rallied up to 2010, look like aggressively will break it out, so let's see. So I shorted here against these 45s. If SPY now holds resistance at 210, then this will be a very good short opportunity for a further downside for DAX. Otherwise I will buy it back up for a breakout. Okay, so 2 minutes for the ISM manufacturing PMI. Let's see if now will spike up or just sell off below. Okay, huge miss ISM manufacturing PMI, 48.6, below 50 means that there is a contraction in the manufacturing. So let's see now if this will be a game changer for the Fed rate hikes or whatever they're trying to do. Initially sell off, let's see if this sell off provided with good long opportunity. So I immediately bought for this spike down. This is the initial move. Let's see if the secondary move, let's say the continuation, is a retest up of 45s, or if this is just gonna collapse hard down. But the US economy is not a manufacturing economy, it's a consumer driven economy. So let's see how much this will affect today's price action. So I close the long position and open a short position. Let's see now if this will happen. Then we have a leg lower. Okay, so let's see if these 300s will finally break down. I have my targets like this, 300s, then 270s, then 250s. Let's see if we will go down there. SPY broke down and reversed of 210s. Yes, this is what exactly I had anticipated. That's why I shorted here. Let's see how far can we go. Can we go down to S1 or 50s level and then bounce back up? Let's see how aggressive this sell-off will be. Again, if you see the statistics, helps you identify the best possible scenario. As I said earlier, the more price spends above and below between these two levels, the more likely to go further downside. So we had initial downside, then retest, pivot point, initial balance low, then sell off. Of course, bad manufacturing PMI helped for the sell off. Again, on the daily now we are at yesterday's open price. Let's see now if this can hold and rally back above, or if this will collapse even further downside. Very aggressive sell off. I just closed the most of the short position. Let's see now if we have any rebound. I would like to short some more, or if this is gonna be straight down move. So I bought a long position here at 70s for I saw support here at support 1, then flash move down with volume spike, then rebound, support. Let's see now if we go back up to 300s and retest it, and then we can short it there, or we will see how this will play out. Okay, so I closed the position. Let's see now if price can go up to 300. I will try to short it there for a continuation of the downside. Okay, so I shorted here for a momentum sell-off, potential sell-off. Let's see here if price goes down to 56. I would like to take some off here and then manage the rest of the trades, the rest of the targets for a potential move lower. So split my target like this for a quick profit here, 1/3, another third for the previous low retest, and then if we have a breakdown, an exaggeration to move to the downside, then a 200 retest. So let's see. Okay, so I shorted here against 300 fake out. Let's see now if we can hold below 300 and then build a value lower. Otherwise, I will buy it back for a breakout and a retest of initial balance low and pivot point at 345s. So I reversed the position for a potential breakout of 300s. I saw support here at 90s. Let's see if this now can break out 300s, hold support, and then a retest up to 345s. Looked like it will break out, but it didn't, so I shorted again here at 90s. Let's see if this resistance will finally prove to be a good short, or if we'll just consolidate for a while now and then breaks it up to above 300s. So as I said before, you don't need to stuck in one mindset that this will go forever up or forever down. I saw the price action I wanted here, so I got long, then I stopped it, closed the position, then immediately got short, and now the short begins working. SPY held the resistance so far at 210, so let's see if we have a second leg to the downside, or if this will just go and break out 300s. Very nice trade here, clear resistance here at 300s. Of course I was ready to buy it back here if for a potential breakout, but again the trend is your friend. Clear support here are scaled up the most. Let's see now the last 30-15 minutes until the European cash close, if we will rally up for 300 retest or if we will make a new low. Okay, so plenty of opportunities today. It started out as a consolidation kind of choppy session with respect to main levels, but turned out to be very good US session. So let's see tomorrow's session how this will play, how it's gonna play out. If you can watch my Draghi, how to play Draghi live event from last month on my channel, check it out so you can be more prepared for Thursday's event. So thanks for watching.